to embarrass myself. I'm about to get my into me. I'm about to learn how to do some dips today. We're gonna sit. We're gonna sit. We're gonna sit. I'm outside with Kimber.
What's the word? What's cracking like?
Yo, Kimber is so freaking good on the skates. Kimber can do good. I can't.
Look, I'll be trying to teach her, but she's scared to come to the ring. So
We about to go right now. So I grew up skating every Friday night at the Ocean Club. If you know, you know. But JB was nothing I really practiced for real. So all I know how to do is this. One of those. But that's about it. That's all I can do. That's all I got. We're gonna let these down.
So when you dip it backwards, the weight goes here in this leg. Yeah. So since you're a beginner, all you want to do is just lunge backwards. Lunge. Yeah.
Woo!
Good. And then come up. Ooh, careful.
I'm sorry.
Careful. Oh, crash into him. Crash out.
I
Hey,
do not belong here.
crash out kick. So it's like your momentum is going backwards while you're lunging.
Okay.
And then you're alternating.
Woo!
Lower, okay, relax. Relax.
So today, I'm working on failure. Well, embracing failure. Because what they don't tell you is that failure is the cheat code to success. My thing is, I'm not really scared of failure. I'm just scared of being seen failing. I hate embarrassment. But at the skating rink, embarrassment is a part of the process. Everybody here is working on something, and a couple of falls here and there, that's expected. Failure is not the end-all be-all. Failure is actually feedback. You get to learn what not to do for the next time, and you go back to the drawing board with a little bit more experience. So failure is definitely a part of the process, and it actually helps you win. It was at this moment I knew I messed up, and I'm glad the camera saved face for me, because I definitely failed. And now I understand why.
All right, you guys. And that is all for our lesson of this week.
All of the JB skaters I grew up watching and admiring, they all started somewhere. And that somewhere included a lot of falling, especially in the beginning. But it's not about like how you fall, it's how you recover, what you do after you fall. You either get up or you stay there, and they chose to get up every single time and embrace the hard parts of the journey. And that's something I'm working on now. So yes, I'm gonna be busting out a couple times, but I'm still gonna be getting good at this JB style. And hopefully over the course of these weeks, y'all get to see the growth and the journey and all of the failure and falls in between. So you can't be boxed, even when you fail a couple times. You only truly fail when you give up and you don't try. Now let's watch my homeboy Kimber go off to his own track.